Good morning everybody, my name is VJ Donato and I'm from the 3A BPO. What is SHA-1 in information security? In cryptography, SHA-1 secure hash algorithm is a cryptographically broken but still widely used hash function which takes an input and produces a 160-bit 20-byte hash value known as message digest, typically rendered as a hexadecimal number 40 digits long. How does SHA-1 algorithm works? SHA-1 works by feeding a message as a bit string of length less than 264 to 264 bits and producing 160-bit hash value known as message digest. Note that the message below is represented in hexadecimal notation for compactness. There are two methods to encrypt message using SHA-1, although one of the methods saves the processing of 64 32-bit to that. The simple method is shown in the example below. At the end of the execution, the algorithm outputs block of 16 words where each word is made up of 16 bits for total of 256 bits. Suppose message ABC were to be encoded using SHA-1 with the message ABC in binary being and it in hex being. Number 1. First step is to initialize 5 random string of hex character that will serve as part of the hash function show in hex. Number 2. The message is then padded by appending a 1 followed by enough 0 until the message is 448 bits. The length of the message represented by 64 bits is then added to the end, producing a message that is 512 bits long. Number 3. The padded input obtained above M is then divided into 512 bits chunks and each chunk is further divided into 16 32 bits word who W0 W15. In the case of ABC, there's only one chunk as the message is less than 512 bits total. For each chunk, begin the 80 iteration to necessary for hashing 80 is iteration to determine number for SHA-1 and execute the following step on each chunk. And for iteration 16 through 79, where 16 to 79 perform the following operation, where XOR or is represented by the following comparison of outputs X and Y.